Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to add a shadow in Canva. So let's get started. Begin by signing into your Canva account and opening the design project where you want to apply the shadow effect. Select the element, image or text to which you want to add a shadow. Now go over here and from Effects, select Shadows. Now choose the type of shadow you want. Customize the shadow further by adjusting settings such as blur intensity to achieve the desired effect. You can also change the shadow's angle by clicking here. That's it. Hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.